coming down slowly but surely. It's not coming down heavy. Alright, made it past that. So that's good. Alright, let's make this light. We got the crosser. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, next stop. Are you in for today?
Yeah, I'm done.
Good, good.
Last time I didn't realize the buses were stopped, and I was out there 3 hours and had to get a train.
Oh,
that
wow.
took 2 hours. So I made sure it didn't happen again.
I know that's right. You talking about that Friday when it got bad? Yeah.
And the only reason I knew there was a fireman, actually a firewoman,
Okay.
she was found out, and she was waiting 3 hours.
Oh, wow.
She was really angry.
Yeah.
That's how I found out.
Yeah. That's the only thing, is the weather. Like, you know, once you get bad, once a couple buses start getting stuck, they stop us from coming up here. Start getting close to these cars.
Yeah, usually they'll stop them at the waterfall.
Yeah.
And then you're on your own.
Yeah. And don't live all the way up. I feel bad for the ones that go all the way up to the mall and trying to come back down.
Well, a friend of mine was telling me about the trains, how they fill up at the first stop.
Oh,
and they go right by every other stop.
Oh, wow.
And they're on those Sunday schedules?
Yeah. Oh, wow. I think today what made it so much easier is because they kind of shut the city down, so no city workers didn't have to come to work, and you know, there's no school open, so I think that made the roads a little easier and less, you know, congested.
As you say, less stopping and starting too. So it looks like you have this bus driving stuff down.
Oh, well, I've been doing it for a while. I've been doing it for 12, so I'm used to it. You gotta get packed all up, gotta get your lunch ready, because you never know.
You might do a double shift?
No, I'm done now. Actually, once I get up to the top and drop you guys off, I can pull into the district. I have done my duty for today.
Where's your depot?
My depot was 27 for Allegheny. Because I was out on the 27th first. I've been out here since, I would say about 5:30. So, I really picked up anybody. I think I picked up maybe no more than 6 people this morning.